There's 3 types of account on Instagram, and you might not know which one to have. Well, I've switched through all 3, so I'm here to tell you the exact benefits and what you should have depending on who you are and what your purpose is on Instagram. Hey guys, my name is Laura Gomez, and in my YouTube channel, I talk all about marketing, social media, building a business online, and exactly the tips you need to grow today. I'm so excited to be talking about this subject because I personally have switched around from the different Instagram accounts trying to see which one worked best for me, and I started searching up some YouTube and I noticed that some of the information was actually not updated. So you've been seeing different information and hearing different things, like if you have a creator profile, you won't be able to actually put your Instagram shop or have that feature on there. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's no longer true. With the new update of Instagram shops, creator profiles are allowed to link their whatever products they're selling, their Shopify store, WooCommerce store, whatever it may be, in order for their profiles to have this shopping option, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start with the personal account. So the personal account is basically for those of you who are on Instagram just for fun. It's pretty simple. There's really no need to go into it further. If you're on Instagram for fun, have a personal account. It's going to be the best for you. You don't need any insights because you're just on there for fun. So enjoy it, interact with your family and friends, and have a blast. All right, let's go into the second account, which is the creator account. The creator account is basically for creators. Hello. But no, really, let's dive in a little bit further. Creator account is perfect for influencers, bloggers, and of course, people who have a personal brand or who are developing their personal brand. I'm personally developing my personal brand, as you've seen on my Instagram at the Laura Gomez. I started using it since January 2020, so I've really been working on sharing my value and sharing my life as an agency owner, a podcast host, and basically a bilingual marketer. So that's definitely what I want to do with my account. I do have a couple products that are only mine. So with the new creator profile, I can automatically link it to my Instagram shop on Shopify, which is where I personally have my store, and I can make it available. A big plus that the creator profile has that the business account doesn't have is the option to add music. If you don't already know what this whole music thing is all about, you can check out this video that I have up here. And it's all about getting your music sticker back to your Instagram profile because it's so important to be able to share the music that we love on our Instagram stories. So not only that, but really let's talk in deeper things that we need on Instagram. So insights, creator insights are really amazing because it tells you a little more about your audience. Not only that, but you can filter through your DM messages. So that's something super amazing if you're a creator, which Instagram basically does this so that you can actually create a relationship with the people that are following you. So you can filter through primary or general, and you can actually say who goes where in order for you to concentrate, let's say, on the accounts that you want to actually interact with, and then leave the ones that are kind of spammy behavior, or maybe your friends on one side and your actual potential customers on the other. You can divide it however you want, but it's really a cool and a really nice thing to have that you can actually filter. You can see your unread or your flagged messages. So that's really cool. I really love it. And one of the big myths that I've been hearing, which is a huge thing that we have to be aware of, is that people are saying that you cannot schedule your content with a creator profile. So That is something that Instagram said at the beginning of the year when they were first opening and developing this feature, but it's completely false. You can definitely schedule your content with a creator profile. So by schedule, I mean you can use Sked Social, which I love, Buffer, Later, Planoly, whatever you use. You can definitely do it with a creator profile. Now let's jump into a business profile. A business profile is a little more serious. It's what we have for the agency one, and it really has all the features. Just doesn't have a couple things like the music sticker, which is obviously a big thing. And occasionally Instagram, when it glitches, might not have like the quiz or the poll, but that's definitely something that should always be there. Overall, if you are a personal brand, I recommend you to have a creator profile. I have a creator profile and I 100% recommend it. You have all the features, you have all the insights, you really have everything that you need to run a business on Instagram, generate sales through Instagram, and actually connect with your real audience, which if you're trying to grow a real audience on Instagram, then you definitely need to check out the official Instagram bundle. This bundle has the Instagram ebook, which is the 7 Secrets Exposed, and it has my all-in-one content planner. The content planner not only gives you ideas on what to post, but it's a template on Canva that allows you to play, organize, and preview your grid without needing to use so many external applications. So if you're looking to grow and to automatically attract a real audience, which, let me tell you something, 1,000 real followers will generate a lot more revenue than 10,000 random followers. So if you're looking to actually attract a real audience, then check this out because it's something that would really help you grow. So, like I said, creator profile is the way to go for me. It's the way to go for an influencer, a blogger, a personal brand, whatever you are if you're an actual person managing your account. If you have an actual brand where you want different people to manage your account, where maybe you have a store that you're selling products, maybe it's your physical location. In my case, it's our agency. Then I want to have that on a business Instagram account. And for those of you who are just on Instagram for fun, then stay with your personal account. All right? Hope this was totally useful. Let me know if you have any questions. And of course, you can always find me on the gram. All right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm watching you. I know those of you that are hitting that button, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.